fold this bike, really just a couple steps, about 5 seconds. You fold the handlebars down and you just fold it in half. Now you could fold the front tire in between the rear wheel and the frame, or just fold it just like that. It'll just save you a few inches if you fold it and tuck it in between. Folding it back up is just as easy in reverse. Just make sure you secure everything for your safety. And don't forget, it also has a height adjustment, quick release for the handlebars. Now this bike has a 60-mile range, but that's also in its lowest setting for pedal assist. And in pedal assist, we had a high of 16 miles per hour, which honestly, it felt more like 20. And in the throttle, we had a high speed of also 16 miles per hour, which is really just as good on the trails. Now this trike is great for riders 5 foot to 6'3", with a 350 max payload capacity. Has a really nice easy step through design, and it's great for mobility. Also, with the rear differential mechanism that makes it even easier turning, just being a 3-wheel vehicle makes it a little harder to ride because you have to learn how to lean into the turns, which doesn't take long at all. Now, of course, we had to take it off-road. It does have front shocks, and it has some off-road tires, so why not? It did handle a lot of the bumps that we threw at it perfectly. But not to mention, with all the features this bike has, the 3 taillights, the turning signals, hydraulic brakes, it's a great deal at about $1,600.